Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Round number 2 of Amazon Prime unboxing. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We made it through. I just woke up from my nap and this came in the mail. So here we are, round number 2. And of course, you guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below and check them out. Not sure what this is, but we're about to find out. Dun, dun, dun. Oh boy, we got something special. Bada boom. This is coming from where's this coming from? Oh, SoundPEATS. Oh, Bluetooth headphones, up to 8-hour battery life, wireless, magnetic. Ooh. And of course these will be good for gifts, any type of situation. There you go, for the gym, for your morning walks, GTL time, you know, all that good stuff. They come in handy. And then here we go. Boom, boom, boom. 8 hours. Android. iPhones, tablets, iPads. Alright, we're just going to rip this thing open. Cut it right down the middle. Found my scissors. Oh yeah. There we go. That was easy. Quick start. Pretty simple to set up. Charging is 1.5 hours. Pairing is really simple. Happy. Oh, this is nice. Get it out. Oh, hey. There we go. All at once. All in. And here's the manual. We won't read that because we already know pretty much how to use these and set them up and everything. Got the clips. Tons of replacement buds, which is always nice. There we go. And now the case. Let me drop you guys down. There we go. The case right here. Right here. Get a good deal on them. All you gotta do, click down the link. And if there is a oh nice discount code, it will be also down in the description. So I'm not sure if there was for you guys this time, but I'll double check that you guys can save some more money. But they are at a good deal right now. Really good price for these. Can't say 100% sure what it was, but definitely I know they're really good company on Amazon to check out for these earbuds. SoundPEATS. Beats. You listen to your techno, your country music, zone out your wife, your kids. Pop these in. Boom. Really nice. Got the magnetic to zone out. Listen to some Marvin Gaye, relax. All that good stuff. Nice and lightweight. Really good. Boom, boom, boom. Awesome. So thank you guys at SoundPEATS on Amazon Prime. Check them out, YouTubers. It comes with the USB charge. And I think that's about it for that. Yeah, just one USB charge. Take advantage of Amazon Prime. Get it fast shipped to you in no time. And get a good deal on them. So thank you guys for watching. Be safe out there. And I hopefully see you guys back Monday. And then, of course, during the rest of the week, I'll be here. Okay, YouTubers. See ya.